PC Building Simulator. It might look small because of the reasons. I don't know how. It's just OBS stuff. But let's get on to the video. So today we're playing PC Building Simulator, how just I told you. Now we're gonna let the game load. Now we're here. Welcome back to the workshop. You're here with some computers that are still here. Yeah, just one computer. And now I just wanted to show you guys. I have free build options. So now I can do auto screw tool, auto connect, auto standoff tool, faster installation upgrade, and auto cable tool. As you can see. Let me scroll down also. Quick cable tool. And yeah. So here's an old computer, and I just noticed when I posted it, it's missing cables, and you would not believe what that is. That's missing cables. That's very glitchy. I can't see and play. Anyways, it's the fans. I forgot to plug in the fans. That's why I didn't send it, because we didn't put the fans. So now we have the fans on. Now it's working. So now we could just go put it back in its box and put it for sale. To mail it to the person. Okay guys, today we got a new order. But you'll see, because we're going to be building it. So I don't have to tell you anything. Okay guys, so first thing, you're going to get a case. Always ends XT. I don't know, still don't know how to say it. We're going to get back. Open it. Front. Open here. And then finally open this part. They said they don't want the fans that they come with, so we're just gonna take it out. They also asked for a motherboard. We're gonna go in here, take NCTX out. Finally, I said it right. The socket, they wanted an AM4 manufacturer. They wanted an Asus ROG, and let's see, it's a ROG Strix. Yeah, ROG Strix F. I'm gonna put it in. We're not gonna put all the RAM in. We're just gonna have dual channel. Let's open the CPU socket. If it can. Okay. Okay, for the memory, they said that they wanted to be going with, and I feel confident going with, is Corsair. They wanted a 16 gigabytes Core 3000 megahertz. Just put them in there. And the last one. There. For the CPU they ordered, it's gonna be an AMD Ryzen. Oh, sorry, AMD Ryzen 7. And AMD Ryzen 7 38X. There it is, 38X. Oh, we're finding stuff quickly. So they wanted toothpaste. No, not toothpaste. Sorry. I keep forgetting what it's called again. Thermal paste, not toothpaste. Tricked me there. So if we could just close that. Oh. There, close it. Now we can put it in. You know, they ordered an NCTX, so of course they're gonna order an NSTX Kraken, so what did I expect? For the case fans, you know we're going with it again because they always order it. They're $20 actually. It's cheap. So wait, what? I thought it was $20. Oh, it was 30. Well, it was an Corsair IQ. Wait, does a big one fit in it? Is it at 140? Yeah, it does. $5 more for that one. Anyways, let's get their M.2. It was a gigabyte. There it is. Put it in, close that. Go over here, go to type. Then they wanted an SSD. So, oh, no more gigabyte. I don't want gigabyte anymore. Anyways, team group. Max 1 TB they ordered. I don't know what they're gonna be gaming on, but sure looks like they're gonna be gaming on a lot of games. To the back. Then they ordered on HHD from us. So if we could just get that, change that. Yeah. Now we can get an HHD. And they ordered a 4 TB. Let's put it on the bottom. And now, what are we missing for this guy? Ah, this power supply. So he wanted to go with Corsair, so almost all this build, he's having Corsair stuff. Which I'm okay, 850. Good choices he's making. But a lot of money, but it's okay. It's always known for computers. Even for this to be a part 2 of building one computer. This is going extremely fast right now. And maybe we can get this done. So all you gotta do is just put this right over here. There. Now that's there. We can finally put the back side. And now we can just put in here the dust filter. There. And front panel in there. Now we can put our USB drive for our OS. And now for the thing you've been waiting for. What's that question you ask? What GPU are we going to be using today? Well, the brand is in the video, so you know it's going to be a good one. What chip series? It's a 16,000. Can you guess which one we're going to be using? Yes, that was right. Anyways, remember that that's right, those parts. There. Oh no, did we lose? Or okay, 1660? No, it was 1616. No, I keep forgetting what the name was. I didn't even look at it for a second. No, this is really not what I was trying to do. Okay, let's just go back. 16,000. Close that. 1660. Oh. Okay, there. Plugged in. Now we can close this door. And now unleash its beauty after we just put the PCI lock. Oh no. This is not how I wished it to waste your time. Okay, now we can put this. Now we can finally put the side panel. Boot it! There. Now unleash its glory of a PC. Wow. Look at that. That's fast. Alright, let's go download 3D. Whoa, Mark Advanced Edition. That was very fast, guys. What a good PC this guy got. Okay, now it's gonna boot Republic of Gamers. There. 3D Mark Advanced. Run. And now it's gonna go. Well, that's doing that. Just wanted to show you guys I have a new office. Yeah. Cool, moving into a new office. I'll finish this computer later. And there we have our new office. I have my main computer down there and all of my work stuff. So now we can go back to this computer since it's almost done. And wait for it to finish up. It's loading. Wow. And I did not expect to post 2 videos on the same day. Wow. So now we'll let this thing do its thing, loading. And I'm just gonna wait here, and you guys are gonna wait with me. Because you can see how much frames in FPS, that's actually a good thing. He got up to 30, so let's see if he catches the 30 again. Okay, he did it again. So this must tell us that he got a good computer. And that he's gonna probably be gaming on a lot of games. I can know that for sure. But hey, wish there was RGB on that. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to tell you, thank you for playing Building Simulator 1 with me. PC Building Simulator 1 with me. Sorry I can't play PC Building Simulator 2 because I just play games that I find and I spend my money on this game. So when I get enough money to buy the next game. Anyways, for now, let's finally finish this computer. And also, I recommend before you're buying PC Building Simulator, you get the second version and not make the mistake I did of buying the first one. Anyways, see you guys. Bye. Have a nice time, and enjoy your day. And I'm gonna stop it because for some reason, I'm pressing random buttons. Bye.